Welcome to Cubing Corner, your place to learn, practice, and improve at solving Rubik's Cubes and puzzle variations. For this video, we are going to learn first the basic parts of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube before learning its basic moves and algorithms later. Before we start, please do subscribe and join us in our journey. So this is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is as common as it is, and this is actually the familiar faces when we talk, or colors, as we talk about 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So we have here 6 faces. This is the face here, another face, here, 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 and here. And the common colors for this would be white, so this would be the white face, red face, blue face, yellow face, orange face, and the green face. There are other variations as well where they use pink instead of red. They use a different color, let's say beige for yellow, but basically these are the common 6 common colors for our faces. Now, each face has a specific center. So this is the center here for our yellow face. This is the center for the green face. This is the center for the red face, and vice versa. It's very important for us to be guided of the correct centers, because later on, as we try to solve a mixed 3x3 cube, we need to start first with picking the correct center, and later on picking the correct portions of this Rubik's Cube pertaining in its connection to the other faces surrounding your chosen base face. Now, aside from the centers themselves, we also have edges. The edges are actually the portions in our Rubik's Cube which connects two adjacent centers. So this is actually an edge as it connects this center and this center. Aside from that, this is also another edge. This is another edge as it connects the center for red, or the red face, and the center for the blue faces. So all in all, we have 12 edges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 for this portion here. For the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the remaining faces here, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 edges for our 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The last remaining part for a 3x3 Rubik's Cube would be the corners. So this is a corner here which shares 3 different colors. This has red color, so it's a part of the red face. This is a yellow corner, so yellow face, and blue corner for the blue face. All in all, we have 8 corners for our 3x3 Rubik's Cube. 1, 2, 3, 4 for this portion here, and at the bottom 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are also what we call as layers. These are also very important because as we look for some movements later on, as we talk about basic moves or algorithms, we will be involving the layers. So we have 3 horizontal layers here. This one, and this one here. We will have the bottom layer. We also have the middle layer and the top layer. Aside from horizontal, we also have some vertical layers. This would be your right layer, this would be your left layer, and this is your central vertical layers. And lastly, we also have 3 sets of depth layers. Depth layers here is meaning from your front to your back. This is your front layer, okay? This involving the front face or the face fronting you. You also have here this portion here for your back face. This is actually your back layer, and definitely your middle layer here as well. But what is most important to this 3 depth layers is actually your front layer, which would be involved in some algorithms later on. These are the basic parts for our 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now, for this part of the video, we're going to ask some questions, and you may also write your answers in the comment below as to the specific parts of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First question, how many faces are there in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube? And the correct answer is there are 6 faces. Next question, how many centers are there in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube? There are also 6 centers in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Next question, how many edges are there in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube? The answer is 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this portion here, 5, 6, 7, 8 for this portion here, and then for the middle layer, we have the 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have 12 edges. How many corners are there in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube? The correct answer is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And last question, how many different layers are here? So we actually have 3 sets of 3 different layers. The first one is for our horizontal layers, the bottom, the middle, and the top. The second set would be the vertical layers, the right, the central middle, and you have your left. And the last one would be the depth layers. We have your front, you have your back, and of course another middle layer here. The next video in this playlist would be the common moves that we are going to practice before solving or including algorithms in the solution for a mixed 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Let's not forget, at Cubing Corner, we believe every solver starts somewhere, one turn at a time. See you in the next video.